Hey there friends, welcome to Emoji Quest. Today we're gonna quiz the animals by pictures. 8 seconds per one question. Let's get started. Buffalo. Let's try second one. Mongoose. Well, let's try third. Oryx. Click on this video and try to guess harder level, and sure, don't forget to subscribe and like.